Are you ready to leave a lasting legacy? Hi, I am Legacy Builder. In just 60 seconds, discover how our exclusive digital blueprint legacy program can revolutionize your financial future. This program isn't just a learning journey. It's an empowerment platform, complete with tools and a community that transforms beginners into savvy digital marketers. Curious about automation? Watch how you can set up your entire online business effortlessly in less than 24 hours, even if tech isn't your thing. Embrace the power of passive income. Our strategies require just 2 hours of your day to start seeing daily profits. Imagine securing a recurring income stream that builds your family's future while you sleep. Interested? Say ready in the comments for exclusive access. Your 7-figure mentor is ready to blow your mind with a short free video presentation that has the complete digital marketing space. Stand up and take notice. We will see you on the inside.